Hey guys, my name is Taz and today I'm going to be showing you guys ponytails from insert name here. And also I just got a discount code and it's Tasia15 and you can get 15% off. Hopefully you guys like this video. Let me know which ponytails you like the most. Let's get into it. I'm going to be showing you guys a Lola, which I have a highlighted version, and then I have a black version which will match my hair. I have Sharon, which is a longer beachy waves ponytail, which is super cute and super fun to wear. Okay, so first what I did is I put my hair into a bun. I do a lower bun because I like the way it looks better than a higher bun like Ariana Grande. But if you like that, then all you have to do is just put your hair in a higher bun and or ponytail or braid, whichever one works best for you. I always put in a bun just because I feel like it looks better and there's less of a chance of people seeing it underneath my ponytail. Okay, so get out Lola. So Lola looks like this. It's a little swoop ponytail and I believe it's 17 inches. And then also I like to leave out a little bit of hairs in the front, but if you like to slick your hair back, that's also an option with this hairstyle. I just feel like I look like a man if I slick my hair back. Also, I have to put my hair back every day for work, so if you don't look like a man with your hair slicked back, then I mean, I guess you are lucky. So yeah, so first there's a little clip here in the front and there's Velcro right here. You just want to swoop it over to your bun and then I'll show you the back. First, you want to insert the clip over your bun and then wrap this little tiny piece over here. And then you'll have the long piece that will wrap around your ponytail. And then it has Velcro on it, so be careful because if you get the Velcro on your hair, it will hurt. If you get the Velcro on your hair, it will hurt. So now you wrap it around. You want to wrap it around as tightly as you can so then it's secure and then it won't fall out. You just wrap this little hair piece around your hair as tight as you can. And then you secure it with a bobby pin. This is how it looks. It's really cute. Love it. You can wear this ponytail to like brunch, a date night. I have worn it to a lot of dates. You can wear it on the night out with your friends. It will be cute either way. So yeah, this is Lola. And I'll show you the rest of them, but I won't show you how to put them on because it's just easy. Either way, it's the same application for each one. So here's the highlighted version of Lola. There's also a bunch of different colors. Here's all the colors. And then here are some models who are on the insert name here page. So just the same application. I just want to show you the way it looks. Okay, and here's how it looks. It's super cute. I don't really wear this one much, but I ended up buying it because on the website it showed a girl who had the same hair color as me, but she wore the highlighted version. Like, it looks a little weird on me, but tell me what you think below in the comments and maybe I'll start wearing it. Okay, Sharon is the longer version of the ponytails. There's a few different ones on their website that are long like this. Same thing. Whip it around. Literally, this takes no time at all. I literally use this every time that I am running late or I don't want to wear my hair down, and I just pop in a ponytail. And if you have curly hair like me, slick it back and put it in a ponytail, and then you don't even have to worry about it. This is what Sharon looks like. It's long and beautiful and I love it. So hopefully you guys love it too. That is all for today, but I have put my discount code in the description below. I have put all the links to all these ponytails, and then also just let me know if you guys want to see more of my collection. Like, subscribe. Okay, bye.